do.
David, are you taking the truck to work?
Yeah. Now I go walk now. No, people still in the dump house. Now, I go to dump house now. No, it is my. We're coming in it.
A dump car?
Coming.
What?
No, I need to come here.
You need a camera?
Go walk.
You need a camera to go to work?
Yeah.
Well, where are you gonna go?
Go walk.
Where do you work?
Go walk now. So I need a bundle pumpkin of water.
You need some water. Are you gonna take the car to work or the truck?
Truck.
The truck?
No, mommy, take your cow.
And where is mommy gonna go?
And go. Let's go. And now, in a dump car now.
The dump car?
Yeah.
Mater's gonna go in the dump car?
Yeah.
Where's the dump car?
In a feet. Cut away.
Oh, I see.
Cut away.
Car's away.
Cut away. Boo, boo, boo.
What does Mater say?
Go get it.
Mater goes and gets it?
Yeah.
What does he say?
Go.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I go. I need the keys for. We'll go walk now. Now we need the keys.
You need the keys to go to work?
Yeah.
Can't you get them?
No. Can't you get?
You want me to get them?
Yeah.
But then you're gonna go bye-bye and we'll miss you.
No.
We want you to stay here with us. We're gonna have fun tonight. We're gonna do lots of fun stuff.
No. I go walk.
Where do you work at?
Another dump car. Truck.
Oh, okay. Daddy's truck? Okay. Daddy's black truck?
Take a box now. Now go walk.
Okay.
Now.